Hello my friends, and welcome back to Fluentico English. My name is Alex, and today we are going to do a short and effective shadowing practice. This is something you can do anytime. You can do this if you are busy. You can do this if you only have 5 minutes. You can do this between work, while walking, or even before going to sleep. This is real-life English. Simple sentences, daily use sentences, and calm, clear speaking. Here is how shadowing works. You listen and you speak at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat what I say. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to be perfect. Just speak with me. Relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath, and let's begin. Shadowing practice. Daily sentences. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you have a moment? Do you have a moment? I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. I have a small question. I have a small question. I want to share an idea. I want to share an idea. It's nice to meet new people. It's nice to meet new people. I enjoy talking to others. I enjoy talking to others. I like learning about people. I like learning about people. Everyone has something interesting to say. Everyone has something interesting to say. Expressing feelings. I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel positive. I feel positive. I feel ready for my day. I feel ready for my day. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel worried. Sometimes I feel worried. But that is okay. That is okay. These feelings are normal. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Healthy responses. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel stressed, I breathe slowly. When I feel stressed, I breathe slowly. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. Talking helps me understand my feelings. Talking helps me understand my feelings. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be patient. I try to be patient. I try to think slowly. I try to think slowly. I focus on what I can do. I focus on what I can do. Small steps are enough. Small steps are enough. Asking for help, very important. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I need a little help. I need a little help. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do. Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? I didn't understand that part. I didn't understand that part. Could you speak a little slower, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That was very kind of you. That was very kind of you. Thanks for taking the time. Thanks for taking the time. Learning and motivation. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I practice a little every morning. I practice a little every morning. I'm learning step by step. I'm learning step by step. Learning a language takes time. Learning a language takes time. It takes patience. It takes patience. It takes practice. It takes practice. It takes consistency. It takes consistency. But I can do it. I can do it. And so can you. All right, my friends, keep going with me. Relax your jaw. Relax your shoulders. Speak slowly and clearly. Remember, you are not memorizing. You are training your mouth and brain together. Let's continue. Daily life and routine sentences. I wake up early most days. I wake up early most days. I take a few minutes to stretch. I take a few minutes to stretch. I wash my face and feel fresh. I wash my face and feel fresh. I prepare a simple breakfast. I prepare a simple breakfast. I like to eat slowly in the morning. I like to eat slowly in the morning. I drink tea or coffee. I drink tea or coffee. I check my phone briefly. I check my phone briefly. Then I get ready for the day. Then I get ready for the day. Work and study. English. I am working on something important today. I am working on something important today. I have a few tasks to complete. I have a few tasks to complete. I try to stay focused. I try to stay focused. I take short breaks when needed. I take short breaks when needed. I ask questions when I don't understand. I ask questions when I don't understand. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I do my best every day. I do my best every day. That is enough for today. That is enough for today. Social and conversation English. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? How about you? What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? I've been keeping busy. I've been keeping busy. I've been learning new things. I've been learning new things. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. Calm and confident responses. Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. That's a good question. That's a good question. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. I'm not sure yet, but I'll find out. I'm not sure yet, but I'll find out. I need a little time to decide. I need a little time to decide. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. I agree with you. I agree with you. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. Confidence building affirmations. I am becoming more confident in English. I am becoming more confident in English. I speak more naturally every day. I speak more naturally every day. I don't need to rush. I don't need to rush. I allow myself to learn slowly. I allow myself to learn slowly. Every sentence helps me improve. Every sentence helps me improve. I am proud of myself for practicing. I am proud of myself for practicing. Take a short breath here. Good. We will continue with real-life problem-solving sentences. Excuse me, I need some help. Excuse me, I need some help. I'm looking for this place. I'm looking for this place. Could you point me in the right direction? Could you point me in the right direction? I think I may be lost. I think I may be lost. No problem, I'll figure it out. No problem, I'll figure it out. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. That really helps a lot. That really helps a lot. Travel and public situations. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please. How long will it take? How long will it take? Is this the correct line? Is this the correct line? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Everything is clear now. Everything is clear now. Thank you for the information. Thank you for the information. Thinking in English important now. Slow down just a little more. Do not translate. Just listen. Just speak. I can think in English. I can think in English. I don't need perfect words. I don't need perfect words. Simple English is powerful. Simple English is powerful. I communicate clearly. I communicate clearly. People understand me. People understand me. Final affirmations. Say IT with me. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. 5 minutes is enough. 5 minutes is enough. Consistency matters more than speed. Consistency matters more than speed. I trust my learning process. I trust my learning process. I feel calm when I speak English. I feel calm when I speak English. Closing message, very important. Take one slow breath. You did it. In just 5 minutes, you trained your listening, your pronunciation, and your confidence. This is how fluency is built. Short practice, done daily. You don't need long study hours. You don't need pressure. You just need to show up. Come back tomorrow. Play this again. Shadow again. Each time, your English becomes more natural. My name is Alex, and this is Fluenteco English. Your daily space for calm, clear, confident English. If this practice helped you, subscribe and stay with us. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep moving forward. Bye for now.